Yeah, go for it.
Okay, I'm going back.
Shit. Yeah. They can't even dance, but I'm like, fuck it, girl. They say, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh Lord. Oh damn. Damn. Oh wow. Oh shit. Yo. Oh my. Oh shit. Yeah. Damn. That's perfect. How you gonna get down?
Put it in the intro.
Yeah.
Put it in the intro.
I got you. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I'll put that out. Hold on. Hold on.
When you get in there, nervous again.
Push that bitch up. Yeah. We gonna make enough off the music video to buy a Hellcat, so it ain't gonna matter. We gonna get the Hellcat.
Not that bad though.
Oh shit.
Yo, I gotta be. All you gotta do is go in there and push it up.
Yeah. Push that shit out.
No, hurry up. It's working though. It's gonna work. No, it's already coming out. It's little.
It's tiny.
You push it more.
I got you.
Go ahead, let them
I'm gonna do it later.
Oh yeah, we made it. It's going to work out. All that ass. I want to see it. All that ass.
Hold on, I need a title for this shit though.
What title?
For the song. Ooh, what's the title? We need a title. Y'all gotta help me. Down with a title.
Popping bottles. What models count?
Fat asses.
Oh. Oh.
That's wild.